So, Dadmode. They have some cleaning supplies that are amazing. I have a set of 4 here and they all do something different, but it's like you want to get the set because you're going to need every bit of it. This one here is the Every Surface Cleaner. A lot of times when I grab a cleaning thing, I don't really look at what it does. I just want it to do everything. So this is that right here. It's got like this nice stainless steel body to it as well. So it's really strong and has a nice nozzle to it with where you can turn it on and off just by a spin right there. And by the way, Dadmode, it's kind of like this tongue-in-cheek brand, which I love. They just make light of this stuff. It tells you in Dadmode, everyday cleaning, spray the surface generously, wait about 10 to 15 seconds first, then you wipe thoroughly with a clean microfiber cloth. For serious messes, spray generously and wait about 1 to 2 minutes before wiping. Don't use in direct sunlight or with a dirty towel unless you like streaking. And it smells so good, but it does work and it does clean. The next one is the Deep Stain Remover. And it cleans with all 7 enzymes. It also smells like sandalwood and suede. Cleaning power, it cleans sweat stains, blood, urine, stool, vomit, pet stains, grass, coffee. I mean, a whole list of things that you could see right here. The next one here is the Instant Spot Cleaner. This quickly removes unsightly stains. Anytime stains, remove any solid bits, spray the fabric generously and wait about 30 to 60 seconds. Gently rub and blot with a clean cloth and repeat if necessary. And last but not least, we have the Liquid Laundry Detergent. Your normal loads, you add 10 pumps directly into the drum of a high efficiency tray of your washing machine. Extra funky loads, pre-treat with Dadmode Deep Stain Remover first and then add 10 pumps and set it to extra rinse. Now, this is the thing I love about this kind of stuff is when there's instructions, because a lot of times you just don't know, maybe you didn't learn it. This is a great way to learn it and then know how to use it for the future. So love the philosophy of Dadmode. This is great. All of the cleaning supplies are awesome and highly recommend them. Thanks for watching.